Once again, thank you to our refs for their time and paying attention to the game, making good calls, making sure the game goes well, making sure our children are safe. The Hurricanes have a third down coming up. Third down and about 7-8 yards to go.
Oof.
Have a whistle on the play. Offside defense, still third down. I want to say thank you to a few more of our supporters. The Camelwood Hurricanes have a whole lot of supporters. Team and family supporters. We have the Benko family, the Brigado family, the Bryant family, the Corish family, the Michaels family. Thank you to all of those guys. We have a bunch more that I'll be mentioning throughout the day. Beautiful run around the right side by number 28, Elias Lopez. Tackled on the play by number 20.